What's up, family status? I hope everyone having a great morning, great evening, great afternoon. Today we're going to show you how to grow your own potatoes at home. Today we are planting purple potatoes in our 30-gallon compost container. We bought our purple seed potatoes from Home Depot for only $4. Let us know in the comment section if you ever ate or grew purple potatoes. How do they taste? Are they delicious? Are they disgusting? What do you rate them on a scale from 1 through 10? Let us know in the comment section. Last year we planted Yukon Gold potatoes in this container. We also harvested some volunteer red potatoes out of our 30-gallon compost container. Wow. I thought these were gold potatoes. And volunteer means we didn't plant it at all. It probably just came from our compost, because all this is compost, and we added a little bit topsoil, but this is just compost. Grass clippings, banana peels, cardboard, tissue rolls, vegetable scraps. But this year we're gonna plant our purple potatoes in our 30-gallon compost container. Can you guys see? Let me get a little closer so you guys can see. See those eyes coming from the potato? And you want to make sure that those eyes are facing up. You don't want to plant it like this. Make sure you plant it where those eyes are coming up, or on the side where the eyes are facing up. We're going to also plant one of our red seed potatoes that we saved from last year. See the difference? So this is our red seed potato, and this is our purple seed potato. You see the difference? What's your favorite potato variety? Russet, red, or Yukon Gold potatoes? So we're going to plant our potatoes 5 inches deep. And we're going to also mulch our potatoes with some wheat straw, grass clippings, or wood chips. I haven't decided which one yet. Last year we used wheat straw and it worked perfect. So the first potato we're going to plant today is our red seed potato. And we're going to plant it 5 inches deep. So let's make a hole. Okay, so now that we planted our red seed potato from last year in the middle, we're gonna plant our purple potatoes around our red potato. So we're gonna plant one right here, one right here, one right here, and the last two over here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 potatoes planted in this 30-gallon compost container. So remember, like I said, we're gonna plant them with the eyes facing upwards. Oh, gotta check it out. Like I said, this is compost. Some eggshells. Can't wait to find out what these purple potatoes taste like. We really want you guys to let us know in the comment section if they are delicious or are they disgusting. Because we find it really interesting that we never knew about purple potatoes ever in our life. So is there a reason they're not serving purple potatoes? Or I don't know, people just don't want them. They see purple and they say, what? What is that? Are people scared of purple potatoes? Let us know in the comment section. Can't wait to find out what these purple potatoes taste like. So now that we got all 6 of our potatoes in our 30-gallon compost container, all we have to do now is cover them up and water. Remember, like I said, make sure all the eyes are pointing up when you plant your potatoes. All right, we're gonna cover these up. And that's it. Simple as that. Doesn't need that much water because I think it's supposed to rain later on today. and this soil is already moist. So this 1 gallon should be perfect. You don't want to overwater your potatoes. You checking on the garden? No?
You looking outside?
Yeah. See? This is going to do a nice doing.
Good job.
Because I'm going to build like this.
Outside.
I'm going to build. See wheel?